These are from Eden Brothers, and we order a lot of seeds and bulbs from Eden Brothers.
See what we got here. Okay. Hey guys, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi everybody, it's Thursday and it's day 178
of the Spoken Garden Daily. And today we're gonna unbox, we're gonna unpackage some seeds.
Yeah, but before we get to that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and that way you won't miss out on every daily video we post.
Just like you guys, we like to get different seeds. We like to buy new things and try new things. Well, some came in the mail recently and we wanted to show you and unbox them with you guys. So here we are, we're gonna do this.
Yeah, and if you've watched some of our other unboxing videos, we often forget what we order, so this is gonna be kind of a surprise. And some of these seeds we're gonna plant in the fall, some of them we'll wait and plant next spring, but it's never too soon to plant. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so here we go. These are from Eden Brothers, and we order a lot of seeds and bulbs from Eden Brothers. They have great stuff. So, and we have a coupon for you guys if you're interested.
Yep, and so coupon a little bit later.
Check down below.
Check down below. Okay, drum roll everybody, here we go.
I started opening too soon.
She's excited, watch out. Okay. Okay, we're opening. Right. Let's see what we got here. There they are in there, okay. Let's see what we got.
Let's see what we got. Oh, this is so fun.
Okay.
Okay, oh my gosh, I do remember when we placed this order.
So let's, so first off, what do we get?
Okay, so we have Violet Queen zinnia seeds.
Awesome, look how beautiful those are.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, and they're violet. Look how big, they almost look like a double.
Yeah, these are gonna be gorgeous. And if you guys have been watching for a while, you know how much we love zinnias.
Oh, we love them.
Sean studied these in grad school. He grew a ton of zinnias, so it's kind of our thing.
Yeah, we love them.
We do.
Okay.
What else do we have?
What else do we have?
More zinnias.
More zinnias, yay!
Oh my gosh, look at those.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna zoom in. Oh, those are gorgeous.
Those are so gorgeous.
Zahara Starlight Rose. Okay.
Those are so different looking.
Ooh,
I remember
man.
we were like, wow, we have to have those.
Yeah, totally.
More zinnias.
Oh, those even look more different than the other ones.
Bicolored.
They look like confetti.
Oh my gosh.
Those are gorge.
Okay, probably another zinnia. Yep.
Of course. Ooh, pretty.
Meteor.
Ooh, nice.
Gosh,
yeah.
Those are gorgeous.
Oh my gosh, can't wait.
I'm very happy with our selection.
Me
here.
too. And what's the other one?
Okay,
you got over
and
there?
I snuck these in when you weren't looking. More sunflower seeds.
Oh, look at all those different
Autumn
colors.
beauty. That'll be fun.
Yeah. So guys, if you didn't see this before, these are all non-GMO source seeds. Isn't that cool? We got those guys. What are these guys?
So these we already opened and we forgot to wait. So, because we were too excited. Okay, so starting with this poppy, amazing gray poppy. Now these are Botanical Interests. They have amazing seeds. So this is one of the seeds that we got really excited about on a recent online conference, and we couldn't wait to order these.
Oh, these are gorgeous. Yeah, they're like, the flowers are almost like papery, almost see-through. They're so delicate.
So next, probably my favorite flower ever, Echinacea, of course.
Ooh, Paradiso Dwarf Blend. Oh, we saw these also at that conference.
Yeah, these were on the conference as well.
I remember the name.
And these were online only, so I don't even know if they still have these for sale on Botanical Interests.
We'll have a link down below and you guys can check that out and see if they're still available.
So it's a blend of colors. It's a shorter Echinacea.
Cool, all right.
So,
can't wait for those.
So the cool thing is both of these seeds can be sown this fall, and we're probably gonna do that on upcoming videos.
Yep.
So stay tuned for that.
Our going plan, guys, is to sow maybe about half of each seed packet this fall, and then sow the rest of the seed packet next spring, this coming spring, and then see what happens over the winter and into the next spring if the ones outside actually germinate.
Yeah, that'll be fun. Little experiment, which we love. We also got another Cosmos, and this was kind of an impulse buy because they're just beautiful. Just a red wine color. I mean, I can't wait to see these.
Oh, wow, that's gonna be beautiful.
That's cool. And Botanical Interests is so nice. They always send a thank you something. So usually lettuce.
They're really good about that. That's so nice of them to do that.
So one thing I love about Botanical Interests is their art is so beautiful. I just love the drawings. And the cool thing that I just remembered is there's an artist for Botanical Interests that did the drawings in our upcoming book. So that is going to be coming out next February. You can pre-order that. We'll put a link down below for that as well.
And guys, the artist that helped us with our book, her name is Lynn Alice, if you were wondering. She's great.
And again, our book is about growing plants and flowers. It's coming out right before spring. So that's a wrap for today's unboxing. We're gonna have more, we have tons of bulbs coming, so we'll do some more unboxings as they show up and keep you updated.
Yep. And go ahead and look down below for any of those links that we mentioned. We'll have them down there. So go ahead and leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you guys. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And we'll be back tomorrow with our Friday plant chat, so come on by to see which plant we're highlighting, and we hope you enjoy it. So see you tomorrow, guys.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.